It's been a little while since you have seen us post on this channel, and that is because of a few things. We've had some holidays and finishing up wedding season and just a lot of stuff going on. One of the things we've also been working on is figuring out a better way to bring you the information that we're bringing you. One of the things that we realized is that we are actually trying to teach you something. So along with the new videos you're going to be seeing here, we also are doing a little bit of a rebrand, and we will now be called Wedding Planning School. I'm gonna really work hard to not get too cheesy and talk about all the lessons you're gonna learn or give you any quizzes or anything like that, but we are wanting to help you learn about planning your wedding and the best way to do that. So we're really excited about this change, and we hope that you will tell all of your friends and of course like and subscribe. Part of what we want to make sure we're doing for you is giving you information you need and can use. So in the comments below, tell me what you want to learn about, and that is what we will make videos about.